We're yellow.
It's okay.
You're not gonna sit on it so you can be taller?
J-Hope by Airplane. You haven't heard it yet. It's like a pretty chill.
Like Daydream or?
Yeah.
17 on trending, damn! Pretty. Woo.
그때 나를 다시 기억해 메마른 땅이 나보 태울 때 저 푸른 하늘 보며 뛰었네 말고 싶었어 그 에어플레인 그때 나를 다시 기억해 메마른 땅이 나보 태울 때
I like his hair.
Chris. It reminds me of Jimin's hair from DNA. Yeah?
Oh yeah. The noodle hair.
Yeah. The noodle hair.
He's vaping.
Vape Nation.
First trip to Japan.
Ooh, the airplane. He was like, goblet. Okay, I see you.
He looks so swaggy.
Yes. So swaggy. Oh, that's the visual. Yes, go J-Hope.
Airplane. Drink champagne.
Dang, bougie! Wow! Is he an angel?
Everything.
He's in the clouds.
I bet you all BTS are sitting in the car. He's just like, airplane.
Aw, he's always so nice. He's gonna give the airplane mouse as a present.
J-Hope has his driver's license.
Ooh, does he? I don't know. Because some agencies, they don't let you have a license.
I know Jungkook has his license. And Jin.
So maybe he might have his license. Whoa!
What's that?
What does that mean? So I guess the airplane symbolizes his success.
Yeah, he's like, I'm almost flying over here to do stuff.
You can.
Yeah, you're just sitting at home doing that.
You can use my mileage points.
Yeah. That was good.
Very chill. Compared to RMs and
I'm just like, you can't get to my level like that. And James like,
airplane.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.